If you want to record sounds on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, we need to find the voice recorder. So for example, we can go to the apps screen, go to the Samsung folder, and here we have the voice recorder. Over here we can press this microphone icon at the bottom, and now we are recording a voice memo. We can pause at any point, we can start recording again, resume the recording. We can go back on the audio line and we can press play in order to hear what we have recorded. We can resume recording at any point of the recording. So if you made a mistake, you can go back and start recording again from a specific point. And you can also create those timestamps or bookmarks, as you can see here. And then you can also stop the recording by pressing this square button. You can set the name for the recording, use a category in order to categorize the recording, and press save. All the recordings can be found pretty much immediately. We should find the list. In the top left corner we have these three lines where we can also find all these recordings and probably some categories as well as the trash. And you can tap on the recording in order to start playing. And you can go to the bookmarks over here if any bookmarks are actually found over here. As you can see, you can unfold this list, we can create notes for those bookmarks, and as you can see, lots of options here. Tap on these three dots in the top right corner in order to find even more options. And if you want to remove those recordings, you can tap on these three dots again and press edit, select what you want to remove, and press delete all. So that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!